Hello everyone, my name is Tapan Upadhyay and I head the application engineering team at Festo. As per the report in 2024 from International Federation of Robotics, India ranks 7th in annual installation of robots worldwide. The usage of robots by Indian manufacturing industry has doubled since 2018 and automotive industry is leading the way in this. But today we see a widespread usage of robots by machine tools, food and packaging, intralogistics and life science industries. We see a trend of various type of robots working together. For example, a Cartesian and a SCARA robot working together in a robotic cell alongside human operators. This enhances the scalability of the robotic solution. Along with this, a flexible and a connected end-of-arm tooling helps enhancing the utilization and efficiency of the robotic solution. To know more about scalable robotic solutions and flexible and connected end-of-arm tooling, I invite you to ROBOTOMATION Symposium organized by VDMA on 9th May in Delhi. I look forward to meeting you all there.